Hello friends, can you tell me what is this? This is 500 notes. And what is the actual value of this 500 notes? How many values are there? Can you tell me how many values are there? There are two values. One is the face value or whatever written in the paper in this note. And the intrinsic value, the cost of making this note. Whatever may be the cost used to produce this note is not the intrinsic value. There are two values of the currency. Suppose you consider a situation. You don't have any this currency. You don't have any money. The topic I am going to discuss about the money chapter. That's why I am telling you don't think. You think a situation that there is no money. There is no money in the economy. You don't have any money. Then how can you exchange the goods and services? How can you purchase the goods and services? Or how can you take goods and services from the market for your own use to satisfy your own wants? This is the most important thing. The situation was there in the ancient time. There was a system without having any currency, and that system was known as the barter system. What is the meaning of this barter? Barter means it's the exchange of goods. Barter system, barter means it is the exchange of goods. Means exchange of goods and services. Exchange of goods and services is termed as our barter. And the ancient time, when there was no money, the system was known as the barter system. This barter system can be defined in the form of, can be defined as the system with no money. With no money or medium of exchange. Can be defined as the system in which with no money or medium of exchange it is known as the barter system. In other words, or it is also known as CC economy. CC means commodity to commodity economy. Without presence of the money, the goods and services are exchanged against one another. So this system is known as the barter system. Now I am going to discuss about what is the importance of money, why this has been involved, why this has been evolved in the economy, and this currency note and modern form of note like your debit card, credit cards are prevailing in the market. The system was, there were certain limitations in this barter system. And what were those limitations that I am going to discuss here? Limitations of barter system. Due to those limitations, the currency has been introduced in the economy as a medium of exchange. Number one, lack of double coincidence of wants. Coincidence of wants. Lack of double coincidence of wants. Suppose I want to purchase rice and I am taking wheat. But no one is there to purchase my wheat from the market at the good. So I cannot exchange my wheat with another person because I want to exchange my wheat with others' rice, but no one is rice seller and no one is purchasing the wheat in the market. That's why this is known as the lack of double coincidence of words. Number 2, lack of common measure value. Lack of common measure value. This is second. We cannot measure all the items in one unit. Suppose there are different type of products are there, solid products are there, liquid products are there, gaseous products are there. So different type of services are there. So we cannot measure all the goods and services in a single unit. That was the problem, the barter system, limitation of barter system. Suppose milk is there, cows are there, buffaloes are there, rice are there, you can say kerosene are there, but all items cannot be measured in a single term. That's why that is one of the most important drawback of the limitations of this barter system. Number 3, lack of deferred payments. Deferred payments means commitment to pay in future. That is known as deferred payments. If anybody commits to pay in the future, then he cannot pay because there is no unit to store the value. That is known as the deferred payments. And the fourth one is lack of store of value. We cannot store all the units, all the productions in a single or for the long period of time. And that was another limitation of barter system. So in order to overcome all those limitations, lack of double coincidence of words, lack of common measure of value, lack of deferred payments, lack of store of value, we implement or introduce the money in the form of medium of exchange. And we are trying to avoid all these limitations in the barter system by introducing the money. And new forms of monies are coming up.